This unique shipping container home features everything that a standard house would include. This home consists of two 20-foot shipping containers and one 40-footer joined in a T-shaped layout with generous bump outs for extra floor space. Entering the house, you are welcomed into the spacious living room and kitchen space. The other half of the house accommodates two bedrooms, a laundry closet, and a shared bathroom. The open layout maximizes space and allows for seamless flow between functions. The kitchen is an open space that features a stainless steel set of appliances, upper and lower storage cabinets, a cool horizontal glass window over the sink and the cooktop. Next to the kitchen is a bright dining area, big enough to sit 4 people. The large window in the dining space brings in lots of natural lighting and can be opened for natural cooling and ventilation. From the dining area is a minimalist lounge space fitted with a cozy sofa seat, a custom coffee table, and a TV for your entertainment. Off the living area is the first bedroom. It's fitted with a large and comfortable bed. The first bathroom has a toilet, a vanity, and a shower cubicle. The second bedroom is not an exception either. It features a comfy double bed and storage drawers. Next to the second bedroom is a bathroom fitted with a fully tiled shower cubicle, a vanity, and toilet. Next to the bathroom is a laundry alcove with a stacked washer and dryer. The interior of the container house is framed out, insulated and lined with plasterwood, and none of the corrugated container walls that dominate the exterior are evident anywhere on the inside. The home offers excellent outdoor spaces to complement the limited indoor living space. The incorporation of wooden accents juxtaposed against the corrugated container walls creates a nice modern mix of industrial and contemporary finishes. This beautiful house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.